So, good morning, guys. Good morning, family. It's LT here with Ra. We're going to get these nails cut today. He hates it, but he pissed me off. He scratched me and hooked himself in there. Since I'm angry at him, I can deal with his screaming if need be. Give me that foot, boy. It's going down. You did it. You cut me, man. We don't play that here. You know that. Come on, man. He gonna scream like a little girl. Give me that damn arm. I'm not playing with you today. I usually be nice as shit. It's going down today, boy. Okay. He wanna be violent. So, it's got to happen, man. Make sure I ain't breaking his arm. Nope. He just being a little roughhouser. Stop it, Ra. This boy is strong too. So I'm gonna have to get this under wraps before he get to be older. Damn, I need two people. He gonna wear himself out because I ain't giving up. You done fucking scratch me, nigga. You better calm down. Stressing yourself out like that. Nope. I run this shit. Get your nose out before you die. That's all you getting, nigga. We doing this. Motherfucker scratch me like you don't know me. You alright? Alright. I am too. Shit. But you think twice next time, motherfucker. Look at that motherfucker. Ain't no need for sharp nails. You're in the house anyway. Huh? Yep. Yep. Taking them down. Yeah, well, you be careful next time. Control your emotions, nigga. I have no sympathy right now for your ass scratching me like that. Damn right. 1 foot. Woo! Sweating like a slave. Alright. Stressing now. Doing better. Woo! Got me sweating and shit. Yeah, you did it. You started this shit. Now, you gonna roll with it, nigga. You ever scratch me again. Ugh, get that foot. Strong ass cat. Alright. Let me get that other foot back, cause alright, little guy. If this what it take, then this what it takes. Shit. You gonna quit that shit. If you hate this, you stop scratching me. Cause I'm having fun, damn it. I tell you what to do. You don't tell me what to do. Don't you know that? You know now. You gonna learn today, boy. That motherfucker. Thank you for calming down, big guy. Cause it wasn't gonna stop, I tell you. Yeah. That's that. Know how to keep her nails together. You be on some other shit. No nails. Yeah, big guy. Let me see. Nope, I ain't missed nothing. Getting it all today. I usually do 1 or 2 and let him rest. Fuck that. He pissed me off scratching me like that. I was just loving on you. You want to play too much. Well, cost you today, big boy. What's that dew claw at? Where's that dew claw? He got respect for me because he ain't trying to bite me. He better not. Woo! Good God. Sweating like a slave again. All right. Let's turn that ass around. We're going all the way. You fucked up, big boy. He might not like these back feet being touched, but I don't give a damn. You fucking piss me off, little nigga. I'll get... Oh, he mad as hell about that. Stop it. Stop it. You gonna get tired before me, I tell you that much. Give me one. I'm gonna get one. Because he deserves it for pissing me off. At least one. I gotta get it because he gotta know I'm the fucking boss. Damn it, you ain't running shit. Got it. Can't get it like I want. Just gotta let him know I'm the fucking boss here. Alright. Woo! Boy. You mad? You should be. You alright? You alright? I love you. Keep them nails to your damn self. I wasn't doing nothing, boy. Let me see. Let me see. Alright. That let you know he good. He was just pissed for the moment. For the moment. Yeah. My baby. Alright. All right here. It's a badass.